Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, where you can unlock incredible conversational potential. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model designed to engage in natural and dynamic conversations. In the next 5 minutes, we'll show you how to use prompts effectively to get the most out of your conversations with ChatGPT. But first, let us understand what a prompt is. A prompt is the initial input you give to ChatGPT to start a conversation or request specific information. It is very important because a well-crafted prompt sets the tone and context for the conversation, guiding ChatGPT's responses. There are 4 tips to use prompts effectively. Tip 1. Clear intent. Here is an example of effective prompt. Tell me about dogs. Vague prompts can lead to vague responses. ChatGPT needs clear instructions. This time with an improved prompts we can see the different respond from ChatGPT. Instead, try something like this. Could you provide me with interesting facts about different dog breeds?
Yes!
By specifying what you want, you are more likely to get a focused and detailed response. Tip 2. Conversation continuity. Let us move on to the importance of maintaining conversation continuity. Imagine you're chatting with ChatGPT about travel destinations. You type, "What's South your favorite place to visit?" When ChatGPT cannot provide the necessary response,
Yes!
it is important to provide additional information. Based on these examples, we can see that referencing the ongoing conversation helps ChatGPT understand context and provide relevant responses.
Yes!
Tip 3. Asking for creativity. Now, let us see how asking for creativity can enhance your interactions. You type, "Write a short story about a cat." We can see that generic prompts might lead to generic answers. Instead, try sparking creativity with, "Transport us to futuristic world where cats communicate with human. Tell us the most exciting interaction." Specific and creative prompts encourage ChatGPT to unleash its imaginative capabilities. Tip 4. Providing constraints. Moving forward, let us explore the power of providing constraints. You type, "Tell me about technology." Without constraints, responses can become overwhelming or unfocused. Instead, offer guidance with, "Explain the impact of AI on healthcare advancements, considering both benefits and ethical concerns." Constrain guide ChatGPT to generate well-structured and informative responses. To recap, crafting effective prompts involves clarity, context, creativity, and constraints. By using these strategies, you can maximize your interactions with ChatGPT and get the information you need. Now it's your turn. Experiment with different prompts and see the amazing results for yourself. Unleash the potential of ChatGPT's capabilities by mastering the art of prompts. Start meaningful conversations and explore endless possibilities. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe.